Hello everyone, welcome to new class. Today's class is about the basics of radio communication. So communication means it is the information transfer between different points in space or time. So examples of communication between two points in space include telephonic conversation, then accessing an internet website from our home computer or tuning into a radio station. Then examples of communication between two points in time include accessing a storage device such as CD, DVD or hard drive. And the communication system involves sorting, then processing and storing information. So sorting, processing and storing information. And this is the block diagram of a communication system. So the elements of communication system are information, then transmission, that is the transmitter, then communication channel, then noise, then receiver. So the transmitter process the information and makes it fit for the transmission. A receiver decodes, stores and interprets the received information. So let us study about each elements in detail. Then first one is information source. The communicated matter called the information or intelligence signal may consist of speech, music, computer data, then visual information, then the written messages or signals, etc. And the information is a physical pattern that has been assigned a commonly understood meaning, and the pattern must be unique, capable of being sent by the transmitter and capable of being detected and understood by the receiver. Next is transmitter. The transmitter is a collection of electronic components and circuits designed to convert the information into an electrical signal suitable for transmission over a given communication medium. Usually, a microphone is used to convert speech into electrical signal. Next, this signal is processed. In case of long distance radio communication, the electrical signal is amplified at several stages, and the audio signals are superimposed on high frequency signals known as carrier signals by means of modulation. And then the modulated signal is transmitted through a channel specially allocated to it. Next is communication channel. The communication channel is the medium by which the electronic signal sent from one place to another. And the channel may be a pair of wires, then coaxial cables, that is in the case of telephone, then optical fiber, or maybe an open space, that is wireless in case of radio transmission. And the channel is a link connecting between this transmitter and the receiver. Every channel introduces some amount of transmission losses. So signal power at destination keeps on decreasing with increasing distance. Next is noise. Noise is an electrical form of energy that interferes with the transmitted message. The modulated signal gets deteriorated due to the distortion in the system and noise introduced in the system. The various forms of external noise produced in nature include atmospheric and industrial noise. The noise generated by lightning is an example of atmospheric noise, and the noise generated by automobile, electric motors, etc. are examples of industrial noise. And noise is one of the more serious problems of electronic communications. It cannot be completely eliminated. Next is receiver. The receiver is a collection of electronic components and circuits that accept the transmitted message from the channel and convert it back to the original information. The important function of the receiver is demodulation. Demodulation and decoding are the reverse of the signal processing performed at the transmitter. Next is communication systems. Depending on the type of communication channel or medium, the communication systems are classified as wireline or line communication, then wireless or radio communication. So, in wireline communication, the medium of transmission is a pair of conductors. Examples are telegraphy and telephony. Then wireless communication. In order to reduce the problems occurring in line communication, a wireless or radio communication is used. In this communication, the message signals is transmitted through open space by electromagnetic waves called radio waves. And this mode of communication is known as radio communication. Radio communication makes possible communication over very large distances, even from Earth to Moon. And these are the basic elements of radio communication system. The microphone converts the physical signal into electrical signal. So that is, here it is sound. So here microphone convert the sound into electrical signal, and the transmitter produces radio waves, and the transmitting antenna radiates the radio waves in some specified direction or in all directions. Then the receiving antenna receives a part of the radiated wave. The receiver selects, then amplifies and detects the desired signal. Then the loudspeaker converts the electrical signal into sound, thus reproducing the information. So in this way, the radio communication system works. So that is about the basics of radio communication. So thank you for watching the class. If you like the classes, please like, share and subscribe my channel.